Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the fifth lesson, Tech Bloomers. First, the lesson introduction. This lesson talks about the use of technology by a normal person and in empowering the disabled to do their day-to-day chores of life, to travel, to communicate, to learn, to do business and to live in comfort. See, in this lesson we are going to see what are the uses of technology and how to use a technology by a normal person in empowering the person's day-to-day life and how to do the chores of life like that, travel, communicate, learn, and how to do the business and how to live in comfort. We have two characters in this lesson. Their names are Alicia and David. How the technology changed the lives of Alicia and David. Technology impacts the environment, people, and the society as a whole. So we can see the impacts of the technology in the environment as well as the life of the people. The way we use technology determines if its impacts are positive to the society or negative. See how we are using the technology, that's only determine the impacts, whether it is positive or negative. Have you ever thought that your refrigerator can order stuff on its own? Do you think that a refrigerator can order its stuffs by its own? Well, anything which is below a predetermined limit or below certain threshold can be self-ordered by the appliance. See whether appliance, that means a instrument, can order its stuff by itself. Do you think like that? Your refrigerator can directly link to the e-commerce site and order for milk if it is about to be exhausted. See whether it is possible a refrigerator can order something if it find it is going to over like that. Consumable products such as ink cartridge may be capable of self-ordering replacements when the current level falls below a certain threshold. This is also like the same. See, ink cartridge means we can change, but whether it is changeable by itself, that's only we are going to see in this lesson. Have you ever wished you were better informed? See, do you want to know all the informations you have get like that? Managing entertainment and home appliances by voice commands or by swapping the finger is reality now. See, at present we are using the home appliances by voice commands or swapping the finger like that. Getting bored by the program you watch on TV, just tell your smart TV that you want to view your social feed instead. See, while you are seeing a program in TV, if you are getting bored, you can change by your command to tell your TV to give some other social feed. Like if you are stuck in a traffic jam, just let your kettle make some tea for you, which you can sip piping hot the moment you reach home. See if it's so, that means while we are stuck in a traffic jam, if it is possible to order a kettle which is in our home to make a coffee or tea for us, if it is so, how will be the life? Think of it. Your entire water and energy management can be taken care by automating all the activities. See, by technology, the above and all possible. We can see the water and energy management by our technologies. How it is possible? That's only we are going to see in this lesson. Technology has not only made a normal person's life easier, but it is also a boon to citizens with special needs. See, technology not only made one person's life easier, but it is giving boon to citizens with special needs, means it is capable to make a citizen's life with special needs in a sitting place. India is home of 2.7 crore people living with one or the other kind of disability. In India, we have 2.7 crore people with disabilities. According to the census 2011, 2.21% of 2.21% of India's population is disabled. See, you know the meaning of census. That means collecting information regarding people. See, in the 2011 census, we came to know 2.21% of India's people were disabled. Unlike the developed world, India's disabled are deprived by attitudinal barriers as they continue to grapple with the challenges of access, acceptance, and inclusion. See, not like in the developed world. See, India's disabled or deprived. Deprived means they are uh, see they can't able to move forward by attitudinal barriers. Attitudinal barriers means relating to attitude. See, by their thoughts or some other way, they have to fight. Grapple means fight. They have to fight with the challenges of access, acceptance, and inclusion. They have to fight for themselves to be. They have to be accepted by some other person means they have to fight. Okay. Then Alisha, see, this is the first character in this lesson. Alisha says, I would probably still have done it because I want everyone to know the difference technology has made in my life. Okay, see, I would probably still have done it. That means she did something. What is that, and by which one she succeeded? And that's only technology. She wants to know, all must know the difference what technology has made in her life. But it would have been frustrating and difficult. Frustrating means, see, it is providing means avoiding from progressing. We can't able to progress. We may got some tension or somewhat. That's only frustrating. I have cerebral palsy and I can't physically type as fast as I think or anywhere near. She was affected by cerebral palsy. That's one disease. So that she can't able to type. She wants somebody's help to type. But right now, that's what I am doing. I bet you are wondering now. Okay, that means, but she is typing now. How is it possible? She is betting to us, that is, we will be wondering if we come to know the reason. I am using a piece of technology called Dragon Dictate. See, the first point here we come to know, that is Dragon Dictate. She used this technology only. What is it and what is the use of it? Let's see. I speak and the words appear on my screen and then I can print them out. It has made a huge difference to me. It has made me achieve things I only dreamt of. The meaning of that is, see, she can. See here, by speaking, if she tells a word, she can see the same word in the screen. That's only Dragon Dictate, and from that she can take the printout. By that she made that means the technology made a huge difference in her life. That's only what she dreamt of, what she wanted to be, she achieved by the Dragon Dictate. See, in the box we were given one information, that is, our former president APJ Abdul Kalam was concerned about people with disability and along with his team developed lightweight prosthetics from space age material to enable disabled children to walk easily. See, our former president was much concerned about this disability peoples, so he found or created one lightweight prosthetics. Prosthetics means nothing but artificial body parts. See, it was made by space age material. That means like a very advanced and very low weight material which makes the disabled children to walk easily. Then Alisha continuing, I used to have a teacher. She has passed away now, and one day she said to me, you are going to do your maths GCSE. GCSE means General Certificate of Secondary Education. She has one teacher and she motivated her that you will be doing a great in your future. In that one great achievement is GCSE, like that she said, the teacher said. For that Alisa said, no, I am not. Don't be silly. That means she doesn't has the hope. So that she said like that. I didn't think I could do anything like that. Studying was so difficult because I had to rely on someone to type everything into a computer for me. She couldn't able to type by herself. We saw that already, so that she had no confidence that she will do something like that. But that has changed now. I can do it by myself with my voice. How is it possible? It was possible by Dragon Dictate. Now we are coming to know about the teacher. The name of the teacher is Kim. She is the lady who is the assistive technologist in my school, introduced me to Dragon Dictate, and it has opened up the world to me. Assistive technologist means, see, she is giving information and assisting the students through technology. That means the school was only for the disabled children, so assisting through the technology, she came or she made the students to achieve their goal.